Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. In this video, I'm going to show you what is PyTorch Tensor. This is an introductory video for Tensor, and in our upcoming videos, I will show you how Tensor is used, how we implement and how it is executed, right? I will show you the scripting part. This is just an introductory video to Tensor. Okay, so let's start. So tensor is a generalized form of multidimensional array, right? Extending scalar, vector, and matrices. Now see here, this is 1D array. This is also 1D column vector. This is two-dimensional array, and this is called the three-dimensional array. This is called tensor in PyTorch, right? Now these are the commands through which you can define the tensor. You can see here torch.tensor. Directly you can put the value, or you can see here torch dot random 3 comma 5, that means 3 row 5 column, and take the random values. Every time when you refresh this script, different numbers will be visible. So this is called random tensor. Okay, then you will see here zeros, torch dot zeros. That means I want a 3 by 4 matrix tensor where the value should be 0, so 3 rows and 4 columns. Similarly, if I show you here the torch dot ones 3 comma 4, that means 3 row 4 column, and the value should be ones. Now if you see here torch dot a range means starting from 0 to end 10, step 1, that means plus 1. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If I have written step equal to 2, then it would be something 0 2 4 6 8, right? Similarly, you can see here dealing with tensor data type. These are the data types: float 32, float 64, float 16. By default is float 32. Okay, now here you can see the multiplication. Then in our further videos, we will see the multiplication and division of the tensors. It is used for complex calculations, right? So these are the matrix calculations. Multiplication, it is same as array that we have studied in our schooling level. Okay, I will explain you all by executing the commands. Okay, so right now we will see this is the restructuring of tensors. Reshape, make it reshape means if there is a one dimensional array, make it two dimensional, right? Then you will see here viewing of the tensors and stacking of the tensors. Torch dot stack tensor 1 tensor 2, that means arrange the tensor one above the other. Then we will see squeezing and unsqueezing tensor. What are these squeezing and unsqueezing? You will come to know in our upcoming videos. Okay, so guys, these are the different types of tensors and the operations which are performed on tensors, right? And we will see all these in our next video. I will show you the code execution, I will show you the command execution of everything. And those who are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, and so that you will get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.